putting finger in the engine when I was probably about 9-10 years old. So I'm the youngest of 4, and the big brothers and my middle brother, they're in the cars, and we used to work on it. So I cut my teeth on the Ford V6. If I remember, 7.9 cam, twin carbs, and my cousin had the Holly 390 on his 30S. My big brother had the XLE.
Taking on Prean in the Supra. .87 for Prean, 883 for Nabil.
Still full street.
This car, I bought it from one of my clients. His name is Omyani, and it was a build car, manual, everything, and he had a mishap with the car with the engine, and I got that phone call, said, do you want this car? I know you like this car. I said, right, give me terms. He said, I can fetch it. 840 at 271.
Which model you are in?
You get used to it. It's going. You're pushing the limits. This car is not like the other cars with four-link suspension. It's still the IRS. The IRS is a bit tricky to drive. It's still a full street car. So four-link is made to go quick, straight in a drag race application. An IRS is a balance of highway driving, cornering, general all-rounder. When it comes to drag racing, an IRS rear-wheel drive is the worst thing you can have.
So why the fuck did you choose it?
Because I still want to keep it as a street car. It still is a street car. I have fun with this car on the streets and highways. It's fully booked. It's fully booked. No, there's still more. So this is my 1400. I still have a 1600, 1800 package. There's some optimistic numbers in this country. No, not this engine. There's a limit where you get to. The block will be a limiting factor. For me, the limiting factor is what we can put down. There's only so much you can put down. It's an all-rounder. It's not a drag car. It's an all-rounder. You get in, the light you can get in, drive to the shops, go buy groceries and come back.
2JZ up against 2JZ here. A Prean's an 8.5 second car, 8.4 second if I'm not mistaken.
8.9 for Prean. Nine flat for Prean there.